So today I've pulled this out of an old one. This is a Hilmor pipe vise. First things first, it's going to go over onto the wire wheels and get a good clean, get as much paint off as possible, see what we're working with. Anything you don't want to watch, just skip through using the contents function. That's what it's there for. Enjoy. It's not really taking much to get the paint off, it's just there's a lot of awkward holes and grooves to get in. This wheel, it does a good job, but it can't get in the little nooks and crannies. So we're going to move on to the other littler wire wheel that's not so vicious and rough, and that will get in and clean everywhere. This one couldn't. Right, so there's some places I want to remove the paint from, especially in this middle bit underneath this screw. I don't want no paint there when I'm finished because it's going to wind in and out and scratch it off. This all wants cleaning. This wants belt sanding to get rid of all these little pit marks. So let's do that right now. And over to the fibre wheel just to polish up where that's been on the belt sander. Take out any little scratches that the sandpaper's left. Nearly done now for cleaning it up, just the brush on the end of the drill, getting any awkward little places everything else has missed. Remove every single piece of paint, don't none of the old paint left. Okay, so remember this bit here? I don't want any paint going on that at all. So, mask everything up right now. Saves an awful lot of time later on. The masking can take a long while. But like I said, you put tape on now, it saves 3-4 times the amount trying to correct your work afterwards if you don't put it on right. This one does turn out a little bit awkward, of course, because I have to spray it, then open the jaws and spray the bit in the middle of the jaws as well. So we start off with a nice red primer undercoat, because the paint I'm using today is not the Rust-Oleum hard hat. It is made by Rust-Oleum, but it's Painter's Touch. That's the only one I could get that where I like the colour. And now to start the wine red top coat. And right, here it is, all nice and dry. Now it's just time to take the tape off. And obviously I want that hilmor finished in metal, so I'm going to do that with the wire brush on the drill very gently. and then just rub over the top of it again with some wet and dry paper just to polish it off. So here it is all finished up, painted, shined, lovely. Obviously the metal surfaces will now get a beeswax to protect them, and it will go straight on eBay for sale. Here's a little tape measure right next to it so you can see the size of this. It is a tiny vise, 8-inch end to end, fully open. Okay, that is all for today. Gonna leave it there and say bye for now.